Hello, good morning. How are you? My kids, girls and boys from class 6. Okay, we continue inshallah. And I wish that you went to, let's say, the previous lecture and you interact, okay, while doing some exercises. Okay, so today is Tuesday, 21 April 2020. Class 6. Okay. Now in this lesson we will try to talk about investigating and drawing ants. Okay. That's the purpose of our lesson today. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. We start. Okay. Investigating and drawing ants. Okay. Student book pages 127 till up to 129. Okay, first of all, what do you think about these 2D shapes? This is what? There is a circle or around the point. Okay, around the point, we call it around the point. So, angle sum around the point is what? Is 360 degree. Okay, so we can say that angle sum around a point is add up to what? To 360 degree always. Okay, then you can see this is a line segment or a line. So angle sum on a line add up to what? Angle sum on a line add up to what? Add up to 180 degrees. So this one on straight line angle sum is 180 degrees. For example, if you suppose this one is 30 degrees, the question is find x. So x is equal to what? X is equal 180 minus 30 will be 180 degree minus 30 degree gives what? Gives 150 degree. Okay? So the x here is 150 degree. Whatever be the angles on a line, always adds to what? Are they? Yes, here, are they? To 180. Okay. And what about the next one? We have two perpendicular lines. When two perpendicular lines meet, they construct or they meet at an angle of 90 degrees. Okay? So this one, my kids, is what? In a right angle. The angle that is, if the angle at this vertex is what? Is 90 degree. Okay? Okay. To measure an angle, you should need a protractor. To measure an angle, you need a protractor. So, this is, okay, for example, this is my angle. This is my angle, my kids. Okay. This is the angle that I wish or I tend to measure it. Okay, using what? A protractor. Okay. So, first of all, the first step, put the center of your protractor on the point of the angle. Put the center of your protractor on the, here, this is the center of your protractor, on the point of the angle. This is the point of the angle. This is the angle, my kids. This one is the angle that you will willing to measure it. Okay, this is the angle. So put the center of your protractor on the angle of the center of the angle. Well, on the point of the angle. Then the second one, line a zero line. Line a zero line of the protractor over one side of the angle. So we lie a zero line, this is 0, okay. This is 10, okay. This is 20, okay. This is 30, okay. So, and so on. This is 90 degrees. And this is 180, okay. And this is, for example, this is 150 degrees. So, step 2, we lie a zero line. Lie a zero line of the protractor over one side of the angle. This is the side of the angle, okay? Then, follow the correct scale around the edge of the protractor from 0 to other side of the angle. So we will follow the correct scale from 0 to this one, okay? To 103 degrees. Then read the size of the angle. The size of the angle here is 103 degrees. Take care to use the correct scale, okay? Don't, let's say, right here this is 100, okay? This is 103, okay? Don't read it from this one, okay? Means don't read it from this, the opposite side, clockwise direction, okay? As you've got, you line the zero line of your protector on the first of the, on the one side of the angle. This is the side, so we should read like that, okay? If you put your protector like that, you should read like that, okay? If your protector is rotated, let's say 77 degrees, okay? You can read from that, but here we read from the scale when you see the 0, okay? You start from this one, okay? Then read the angle. Read the angle. So the angle here is what? Is 103 degrees. So with the steps, let's summarize. Center on point. This is center on point. Second, zero line along one side of the angle. Zero line along one side of the angle. 3, follow the correct scale from 0 to the other side. This is the other side, my kids. This is the other side of the angle. I will follow the correct scale from 0 to the other side. Okay, then you can tell that is 103. Okay, degree of course. Okay. Now let's identify or learn or let you remind some facts about angles. Okay, type of angles. Let's start. The first one, these are 3 angles. The first one is called what? You can see this angle, the size of this angle is less than 90 degrees. Okay? Less than what? Than 90 degrees. If I'm gonna, let's say, draw a 90 degree like that, this is 90 degrees, okay? This is 90 degrees, okay? But the blue diagram is it's called an acute angle. Acute angle is less than 90 degrees. So acute angle is in fact an acute angle. Acute angle is what? Is more than 0 and less than 90 degrees. And less than 90 degrees. Okay? So why it's acute? Because it's more than 0, it cannot be 0, and less than 90 degrees. Move to obtuse angle. An obtuse angle. Okay, you can see this is, if this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees, isn't it? Okay. So, in fact, obtuse angle is more than 90 degrees. And is what? Is less than 180 degrees. Okay? This is 180 degrees. And the angle now is what? The red one, this one. This is your obtuse angle. Is more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Good. So we can say this is obtuse angle. obtuse angle. We told that is less, is more, okay, is more than 90 degree and less than what? Than 180 degree. So an obtuse angle is more than 90 but less than 180 degree. Okay. Move to the reflex angle. A reflex angle is an angle that is more than 180 degree. Okay. Look here, my kids. Look at this diagram. I will extend this line. This one is what? From this to this is 180 degree. Okay. So you can see this angle. In fact, this one, this angle, okay, is more than 180 degree. Okay. So we can let's say give a name for this diagram. It's called a reflex angle. Is more than 180 degree. Okay. So reflex angle is more than what? Than 180 degree. Okay. The next. Now we have an exercise. Name each of these angles. Okay. This is the angle. This angle, my kids, is what? Is acute angle. Acute angle. Yes, less than is more than 0. Okay. And what? And less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. Okay. And this one also is what? Is an acute angle. Okay, because this one is 90 degree. Okay, so this one is acute angle. Acute angle. It's near that is greater than 0. Okay, so less than 90 degree. Because in this diagram, it's clear that it is more than 0. But you can write, no problem. And this angle, my kids, is what? This is 180. Okay, but it's less than 180. It's called obtuse angle. Obtuse is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. And for this one, you can see this one around the point. This is around the point. Is what? Is 360. Okay? Means the size of this angle or this angle at the vertex C is called reflex. Reflex means more than 180 degree. So reflex angle is more than 180 degree. Good work. The next. Here, without, let's say, measuring, label each angle below. A right angle, acute angle, obtuse, or reflex angle. Okay, let's start from this one. This is, in your opinion, is it 90 degree? Yes or no? Okay, you can see this paper. You can see this paper. This one is 90 degree. Okay, I will just do it. Look, if it is 90 degree, I will check if it is 90 degree or not. This one, is it 90, my kids? No. Just a moment. This one, yes, this one is 90 degree. So I will label as right angle. Right angle. And this one, it's called reflex. Reflex angle. Now stop the video and think of the others. I will give 2 seconds. Okay? You can stop the video. This one, the angle R, Good boy. Is acute. Why? Because it's less than 90 degrees. And this one, my kids, is what? You can see this one is 90 degrees. Okay? This one is 90 degrees. So it's right angle. Okay, means 90 degrees. Okay. Then this one, my kids. This one is reflex. Reflex angle. This one is acute angle. Why? Because it's less than 90 degrees. And this one, my kids, I have, let's say, square paper. So this one, what do you think? It's a square. Let's say this one is a right angle triangle. So this is 90 degrees, means a right angle. And this one is clear, never depass 180 and never be equal to 90 degrees. More than 90 and less than 180. So it will be obtuse angle. Of course, angle. Okay. Then, now find the measure of the angle B. Okay. So, you already know the angles in a triangle add up to 180. And angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Okay. Now we have some questions dealing with finding the letter B. Okay. So this angle plus this is 180 degrees. Why? Angle sum on a triangle is add to 180 degrees. Okay. So I will make B plus 115 degree plus 31 degree should be equal to what? To 180. Why? Because the sum of the internal angle of the triangle is 180. I will just add all of this. This one is what? I will just write B plus 115 plus 31. Look, I will add 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus nothing is 1. So 146. Equal what? Equal 180 degree. Okay. Now my kids, I will subtract 146 from left hand side and 146. Okay? So it will be, this is, I will write it as B equal, this is 146 minus 146 is 0. Then 180 minus 146 is equal to what, my kids? Is equal to 36. 36 degree. Okay? So, B equal what? B equal 36 degree. Okay? Let's take an example. We have what? Okay, sorry, 34 equal 34, sorry. So, the second one, 34 plus 146 is 180. The second one, I will make what? B plus 29 degree plus 33 degree equal what? Equal 180. Good boy. 180 what? Degree. I will add this first. I will make B plus, okay, 29 plus 33. So 3 plus 9 is 12. Okay. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So it will be 62 degree equal 180 degree. Then I will subtract both sides 62. I will minus 62 degree, and here minus 62 degree. Okay. This is B, I will write it here. B equal. So this is 62 minus 62, it will be cancelled out. Then 180 minus 62. Look. 0 minus 2, not possible. 10 minus 2 is 8. Then the one that I borrowed, I will add it with 6. It will be 6 plus 1 is 7. Now, no need to work with 6. Plus this 6. Okay? Then 8 minus 7 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. So it will be 180 degree. So this is B equal. Okay? The next, this one, I will make, this example first. I will make B plus 119 degree plus 34 degree equal 180 degree. Okay. First of all, add all of this. It will be, add this to that. It will be B plus, so this one I will make it here, 119 plus 34. So plus 34. 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. 1 plus nothing is 153. So B plus 153 equal 180 degree. Okay. Now B equal what, my kids? I will subtract, let's say, 153 from both sides. So B equal 180 degree minus 153 degree. Equal what? Equal 27 degree. Equal 27 degree. Okay, the next. Here we have what? We have B plus 39 plus 123 equal 180 degree. Okay. I will just add all of this. Okay. We have what? We have 123 plus 39. So 9 plus 3 is 12. 3 plus 2. Okay. 3 plus 2 is 5. Plus 1 is 6. So it will be 162. So I will just write B plus 162 equal 180 degree. So in order to transfer 162 to the right hand side, I should subtract from both sides what? Yes, I will subtract 162. Good boy. So I will just write, this is, I will make B plus 162 degree equal 180 degree. I will subtract what? I will subtract 162 here and here 160. So this one and this, it will be cancelled out. So B equal B equal what? 180 minus 162. Of course, degree. Degree. Okay. So this one B equal what? Equal 18 degree. Okay, so B equal 18 degree. This is 18 degree. Okay. The next. So here we have example number 5. I will just add b plus 75 plus 75, b plus 75 plus 75 equal what? Equal 180 degree. So it will be b plus 150 degree equal 180 degree, means that b equal, after subtracting 150 from both sides, will be 180 minus 150 degree equal 30 degree. So b equal what, my kids? My kids, 30 degree. Okay, the next one. We have, this is 26. This is, okay, this is 45. So I will just make what? B plus 26 plus 45, 26 degree plus 45 degree equal 180. Good boy. I will add all of this first. I will make B plus 40 plus 20, 60. Okay? 60 plus 11 is 71 degree equal 180. So B equal 180 minus 71 equal what? Equal what? Equal 109. 109 degrees. So B equal 100 and what? And 9 degree. Okay. Look, 180 minus 71. Okay. Look, 0 minus 1 not possible. I will borrow 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. The one that I borrowed, I will add it with 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Now I will never work with this 7. I will work with 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. 1 minus nothing is 1. So 109. Good boy. Okay. The next. Now for let's say quadrilateral, we told that angle sum on a quadrilateral adds up to 360. So I will just write this one. So this is 81. This is 100. This is 72. Okay, and this is B. So I will make what? B plus 100 plus 72 plus 81 equal 360. Good boy. So B plus 100 degree plus 72 plus 81 degree equal what? Equal 360 degree. Okay, why? Because it's quadrilateral. So I will make B plus, I will add all of this. I will make 100 and what? Okay, 100 plus 72 plus 81 equal 1 plus 2 plus 0 is 3. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 0 is 15. I write 5, then I will carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So it will be plus 253 degree equal 360 degree. To find B now, my kids, I will subtract 253 from both sides. It will be 360 degree minus 253 degree. Okay? So just calculation. I will make 360 degree minus 200 and what? And 53. Okay. 0 minus 3 not possible. 10 minus 3 is 7. The one I borrowed, I will add it with 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now I will work with 6, not 5. 6 minus 6 is 0. So 3 minus 2 is what? So 107. B equal 107 degree for the first quadrilateral. Okay? The second one. Here we have, this is 90 degree. It's 90 degree. Okay, but it's not written. This is 90. This is 75. and this one is 105. Okay, this is easy. I will make what, my kids? I will add b plus 90 plus 75 plus 105 is what is equal 360. So I will make b plus 105 degree plus 75 degree plus 90 degree equal 360 degree equal. Just adding b plus 105 plus 75 is 180 plus 90 is 270 degree equal 360 degree. So b equal 360 degree minus what? Minus 270 degree equal 90 degree. This is, my kids, is 90 degree. Okay? Then, here we have an example, another example. So, this is 103. This is 97. This is 77. This is B. So 103 and 97. 103 plus 97 plus 77 plus B equal 360 degree. Okay, first of all, add all of this. It will be what? Look, 103 plus 97 plus 77. I will add 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. I will write 7, then I will carry 110. So 7 plus 9 is 16. Plus 1 is 17. I will write 7, then I will carry 100. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So it will be 277. 277 plus B equal 360 degree. In order to find B, my kids, I will subtract here 277 degree and here also 277 degree. 277 degree and minus 277 degree is 0. I will just write what? B equal 360 degree minus 277 degree. Then this one, my kids, 360 minus 277 degree equal. Okay, look here. 10 minus 0 minus 7 not possible. I will borrow one. 10 minus 7 is 3. The one I borrowed, I will add it with the 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Now I will never work with this one, with 7. I will work with 6. 6 with 8, sorry. 6 minus 8 not possible. I will borrow 1. 16 minus 8 is 8. The one that I borrowed, I will add it with the 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now I will never work with this 2. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So what is the answer? Is 83. So B equal 83 degree. Okay? 83 degree. So this one, B is equal 83 degree. Okay. The second one, this is 86. 86. 86. This is B. This is 109. This is 71. Okay. The question is find B. So we'll make what? We have, okay, 109, 86. 109, 86. 109, 86. 109 plus 86 plus 71 plus B should be equal to 360 degree. Okay, let's check again. 109, 71, and 86. 109, 71, 86. Okay, we continue. So, I will just add all of this, my kids, to obtain, and we have 109 plus 86 plus 71 equal 9 plus 6, 15 plus 1, 16. I will write 6, then I will carry 1 10. Okay, so 8 plus 7 is 15, plus 1 is 16. I will carry here 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, so 200 and it will be 266 plus B equal 360 degree. In order to cancel this, my kids, in order to write it there, if 266 is transferred there, it will transport with that a negative sign, okay? Meaning that B equal 360 degree. What is the sign of this? It is positive or negative? Positive, so it will be negative. Minus football, minus 266 degree. And you will do it here. 360 minus what? Minus 266 degree. Okay. How can you solve it? 0 minus 6 not possible. 10. I will borrow 1. 10 minus 6 is 4. The one I borrowed, I will add it with the 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Now I will work with 7, not 6. 6 minus 7 not possible. I will borrow 1. 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 is 9. Then the one I borrowed, I will add it with the 2's. It will be 3. I will never work with 2. I will make 3 minus 3 is 0. So what is the answer? The answer B is equal to 94 degree. Okay? If you'd like to check, make 266 plus 94. 4 plus 6, 10. Okay. 9 plus 6, 15. Plus 1, 16. 1 plus 2, 3. So, it will be 306. So, the answer is correct, my kids. Okay? So, it will be 200 and... It will be 94. So, B equal 94. So, this one, B equal 94 degree. Okay? Okay, find the value of x. Here, it will be a homework. This one is a homework. Homework. Please do it at home. Okay? This is the homework. Do it at home. Okay, now move to your student book. Exercise 4. Each of these pies have been cut into unequal slices. Work out the missing angle on each pie without measuring. Okay, I will try to find this value. First of all, this one is 360. Is 360 degree. So I will make what here? I will make, to find A, I will make A plus 235 degree equal what? Equal 360 degree. So A equal what? Equal 360 degree minus 235 degree. So this is 360 minus 235. So 0 minus 5 not possible. Okay, 10 minus 5 is 5, then 6, 2, then 1. 100, it will be equal to 125 degree. Okay. Then the next one. This one, I will just add this to that. Okay. It will be 102 plus 63 gives what? Gives 5, 165. To find this, my kids, just make 360 minus 165. So I will make 360 minus 165. So 0 minus 5, not possible. 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay. Then this one I will add it with the 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 minus 7 not possible. 16 minus 7 is 9. Then the 1 I will add it with 1. It will be 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So it will be 195 degrees. If you would like to check, make like that. 195 plus 165. Is it 360? Yes or no? 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 6 is 16. Okay. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Okay, you are correct. Good boy. Then, this one, just add 88 plus 126 plus 93, then subtract it from what? From 360. So just make what? 88 plus 126 plus 93 equal. This is 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 3 is 17. Okay. Then 2 plus 8, 10 plus 9, 19 plus 1, 20. Okay. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 307 should have been subtracted from 360. So C, this one, C equal 360 minus 307 degree equal what? Equal 53 degree. C equal 53 degree. Okay. The next, for D, I will just add all of this. I will make what? I will make 72.5 plus 51.0 plus 93.0 equal. So 5 plus 0 is 5. Decimal point, put it here. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 3, 6. Then 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. So the total of this, my kids, the total of this is what? Is 216.5. To find D, so D equal what? Equal 360 minus the total, minus 216.5 degree, of course. So this is 360. Sorry. This is 360 minus 0.0 minus 216.5. Equal. Look, 0 minus 5, not possible. 10 minus 5 is 5. Then the one I borrowed, I will add it with 6. I will add it with 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Now I will work with 7. 0 minus 7, not possible. 10 minus 7 is 3. The one that I borrowed, I will add it with what? I will add it with the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. I will work with this 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. Then I will put the decimal point here. So the answer is 143.5. 143.5 degree. Okay? The next. Here we have 76. Okay, 0.4, this is 35.7, and this is 90 degree, my kids. You can see this small square, this is 90 degree. To find this one, just make 360, okay, minus this, minus the total of this, okay? So, let's add the total. It will be what? 76.4 plus 35.7 plus 90 equal 90. I will write as 90.0. Okay? So 4 plus 7 is 11. Okay. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 5, 12. 7 plus 1 is 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 9 is 20. Then it will be 202.1. Okay. To find this one is 200. The total of this 276.4 and 90 is 202.1. In order to find E, just subtract 360. Subtract 202.1 from 360, okay? I will just do it here. 360.0 minus 202.1, isn't it? 0.1, okay. Equal. So 0 minus 1 not possible. 10 minus 1 is 9. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. So 0 minus 3 not possible. 10 minus 3 is 7. Then 1 I borrowed, I will add it with 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 157.9. So 157.9 degree. If you would like to check, add this, which is, let's say, the measure of this angle, to that. Okay? So I will make it here. What do you think? 157.9 plus 202.1. If it is 360, so the missing angle, that is, work it out, is 5. 9 plus 1 is 10. I will carry A1. This is the small point. 7 plus 2 is 9, plus 1 is 10. I will carry A1. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 0 is 6. Okay? 1 plus 2 is 3. It will be 360.0 equal what? Equal 360. Okay? The next one, here, what we have, in this example, we have, this one is a line segment, or is a line. Angle sum on a line is 180. So, F plus 80 plus 80 equal 180. So, this one is 20 degree. Okay? And this one also, my kids. This one is also 180 degree. This one is 180 degree, isn't it? So, to find G, make 180 minus 57. So, G equal 180 minus 57. So, it will be what? It will be 123. Okay? G equal 200. G equal 200 and what? And let's check. Okay. So 123 plus 57. Is it 180? Yes or no? This is 10. I will carry 1, 2, 3, 8. Okay, so 180. So the answer is G equal 123 degree. Or if you would like to suppose that is around the point, make 360 minus 57 minus 180. You will get the same answer. Okay? Okay. Now imagine a pie was cut into equal slices. What would be the angle of each pieces if it were cut into 2 pieces? Minus 360 divided by 2. 360 divided by 2 gives 180 degree. Okay. 3 pieces mean 360 divided by 3 gives 120 degree. 4 pieces means 360 degree divided by 4 gives 90 degree. Then 5 pieces means 360 degree divided by 5. Okay, so it will be 70. Okay, 300 by 5, 60. Okay, look, 300 divided by 5 is 60. Then we have 60 divided by 5 is 12. So 12 plus 60 is 72. So it's 72 degree. Then 6 pieces means 360 degree divided by 6 gives what? Gives 60 degree. 7 pieces, my kids. 4 pieces. We did it. 7 pieces means 360 degree divided by 7. Okay. So it will be what? Look, 36 divided by 7. So it will be it will be 5, then 35, okay, minus 1, so it will be 50, okay, 10 over 7 degree, okay, 10 over 7 degree. Okay, why 10? It will be 50 multiplied by 7, 350, plus 10, all divided by 7, it will be 360 divided by 7, yes, okay. Then, now 8 pieces, we make what? 360 degree divided by 8, gives what? Gives 40. If 360 divided by 4 is 90. So this one divided by 2 is 45. So it will be, okay, it will be 90 degree divided by 2 gives 45 degree. Now 9 pieces minus 360 degree divided by 9 gives what? Gives 40 degree. Then 10 pieces 360 degree divided by 10 gives only 36 degree. And 12 pieces means 360 degree divided by 12 gives only 30 degree. And the last one, 360 divided by 11 gives what? So 30 multiplied by, it will be 330. Okay. We thought that 30, yes, 30 degree. Then we have what else? Okay, look here. We have 360 divided by 11. Okay, 360 divided by 11. Sorry. Okay, 360 divided by 11. Okay, 36 divided by 11 is only 3. 11 by 3 is minus 33. Okay, this is 0, right? So 3 minus 3 is 0, 6 minus 3 is 3. Now 30 divided by 11 is 2. 2 by 11 is negative 22. So this is 10 minus what? 10 minus what? 10 minus 2 is 8. Then this one I will add it with 2, it will be 3. So it will be 0. Okay, so it will be what? 360 degree divided by 11 gives 32 8 divided by 8 divided by 11 degree. Okay? The next. We cannot solve this one. We can, it will be 51. This one can be 51 degree. 3 over 7. Okay? The next question. Substein drew a triangle. He split the triangle into two right angle triangle by drawing a dotted line. Okay, this is dotted line. This is 90. So, without measuring the angles, work out A, B, C. Okay, this is, okay, A, B, C. A, B, C. Okay. So this one, my kids is not clear. I think that is B. And this is A, B, C. So just a moment. Substein draw a triangle. He split the triangle into two right angles. Triangle by drawing a dotted line without measuring the angles. Work out A, B, C. Okay. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay. So I thought that is C, and this is A. First of all, this is 32 degrees, isn't it? And this one is 37 degrees. First of all, let's find what? Find C. This is 90 degrees. In this triangle, this is 90. So C is equal to what? C equal what? Equal 90 minus 37. Okay? Or make 180 minus 90 minus 37. Okay? In a right angle, this one is 90 minus this. So it will be, we have 90 minus 37. So this one is 10. 10 minus it will be 3. This is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 53. So it will be 53. If you like to check, add this to that, should be equal to what? To 90. So 53 plus 37. 7 plus 3 is, sorry. So we thought 7 plus 3 is 10. 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 1 is 90, so 90 degrees. So we found C. Then, what else? This one is A. I thought this one is A. All of this is A. Okay? Now let's find B. B is what? B is the same. Is 90, this is 90 degrees minus 32. Is 90 minus 32 degrees. 90 minus 32 gives us, no, this is 90 minus 32. 0 minus 10 not possible. I will borrow 10 minus 2 is 8. Then the one I borrowed, I will add with the 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. I will work with 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. So 58. What is it? Equal 58 degrees. So B equal what? B equal 58. So A is what? Is, all of this is A. We can write this here. A is equal to B plus C. Equal 58 degree plus 53. So I will make, it will be, so A equal, so this is 111 degree. So B is equal 111 degrees. C is equal to 53. This one is C is 53. This one is 53. and this one is 58. Okay? So, we check it again. 58 plus 53. 8 plus 3, 11. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11. So 111. Okay. Thank you for listening. Okay. Please, my daughters and my kids, okay, please don't forget to practice the other exercises, okay, that are on your student. Murat Sultan is really again with you. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.